Hello everyone, I am back again today to do a new project, something very exciting and very nice. We are going to do a wonderful project, acrylic painting with this. So as I always tell you, you guys don't need to use only acrylic paint. Please go it with poster color, watercolor, anything if you like you can use. This is the painting we will be doing. It's so amazing and nice. You can try it by yourself. Very easy steps. We will start now. So I tell everyone always to use simple colors, and I'm going to stick with red, white and gray color, and at last we will use little bit black color. That's it. So these are the four colors I will be using today. In case if you don't have red color and pink color, you can use your own color combination. No worries, no problem. So for the starters, we are going to do is white color. I'm going to make a one circle. Just keep the canvas in the side. A small circle like 2.5 inch. I'm using canvas paper. If you can see, this paper is around the paper. I put a masking tape so the edges should be much more nicer. That's why. So I make the small circle you can see here. It's very easy. And I'm going to use little bit gray color and go around the circle so you can see the circle, white color circle that I use. So this is the white color circle that I made. So I'm going around with gray color and trying to blend the white and gray together. Your hand should go like a circle. Remember that your brush strokes should be going around. So I hope you guys now can see the gray color circle. Like this way. Here, see. It's very easy. We made a circle, white color, and I went around it with gray color. And I'm going to use another one circle with gray color. So don't use lot of darker gray. Go with lighter gray because we are playing with white and little bit light gray. So now you can do is, if you have little bit pink color, I have just this nice pink color. Just I'm going around with pink color. But I'm going to use white also with the pink, not directly pink. So now you can just add little bit gray color also to that. So this is the way circle happening. So almost half of the canvas, not too much, you can make with gray and white color, same technique like this much. See, this part we are not going to. So half of the canvas only we will be doing the circle. In case if you don't have the same colors, as I said, you can use your own color combinations. Because I like pink color and gray, so I'm just trying to do that way because you know girls are like pink color. this painting we made for the Pink Day, and it's very nice and amazing. A lot of people like it, so I hope you guys going to enjoy this painting also. So see, this is the half of my canvas. Now the other half I'm only using red color and coloring it. I'm going to use the same brush, Total Fine, and I'm going to color it. We are still doing the background. I'm just trying to blend the edge with grey color a little bit. Last, you can do the edge between the grey and the red. You just blend it together. So your full background look like this way now. Now we are going to do the black color branches. So you need a pointer brush now. If you don't know to do by yourself, you can always use a pencil and do the drawing. So for example, like this way, you can use a pencil and do by yourself the drawing, and then you can do the paint and the brush. I hope you can see it. We are just doing the branches only. not too much, but very little, very easy the branches. That's why I said you can always use a pencil and draw it before you do with the paint. If you think that you cannot do it by yourself, always trace it. So that is totally enough. So the next part we are going to do is we are going to play with two different pink color. First we will use lighter pink, like I use this pink, and we are using a pointed brush, or you see, like a sponge way. So we keep going like flowers, we going around it. So remember one thing, you don't do over the black color branches, you go around the branches. First we use the pink color, darker pink color. If you don't have pink, you know how to make white and red color together. If you have any question, please ask from me. I have this pointed brush, but it's very damaged because I use for sponging and it's already open like this way, you can see. When you have damaged brushes like this way, you can use for this kind of technique. It's very easy. So you have to go all around the flower branches. So once your pink color is done, always you can go for the next color is, I'm going to use white. If you want, you can use a different color also. I'm going over with the pink color, I'm going over with white. You can go a little bit over the branches but not too much, but try to avoid going too much. So your painting should be look like this way, but you have to remove the masking tape around it. You can see when you remove the masking tape, it's much more looking nice. Okay, so this is the painting we did today. I hope you guys going to love it. It's very easy. We color the background with white color, gray color and little bit pink color. Last we colored the background, the half of the canvas with red color. Then later on was what we did the black color branches and went over. So this one color is different from this paint because I used darker pink color into the background instead of red color. But my darker pink is already finished. I don't want to go and find it. So that's the reason I use red color. So you guys can use your own color. You don't need to follow up the same colors that I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. It's very easy, step by step. Focus and just do it. Enjoy your painting. See you tomorrow again with a new project. Thank you for watching me.